Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name's Cactus. Today we're gonna be um, changing some RAM sticks on the Victus desktop. As you can see here, we have our RAM. This is the one that I purchased from Amazon. Um, two sticks of 16 gigs, a total of 32 gigs, 3200 megahertz, DDR4. Vengeance LPX. It says low profile memory for high performance overclocking. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I already unboxed it. Not too much to it. Two RAM sticks, each one is 16 gigs. And we're gonna be opening this thing up. We got a brand new gaming desk or office desk, a computer desk. And I've already had this for a really long time. Basically a toolkit that has all the necessary screwdrivers, pardon me, to open any type of electronics. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. This is my first time doing it, so we were able to unscrew. It's just one screw for the Victus 15L desktop. Unscrewed it right here. This, and then we're greeted with all these components. So yeah, this is a GeForce GTX 1650. The CPU is a 12th gen Intel i3. The PSU, I'm not really sure what the PSU is. Should say it there. This is 350. Not sure. I'll leave all the details on the details. So the RAM, as you can see, is right there. This stick. We don't really need to do much. You can unhinge it from here. So all we need to do is get your RAM, open it. It has like a little lip here. There you go. Have it on standby. You go in here. You see those white pins? Let me zoom you in. Alright, let's put it like this. So these white pins that you see here, you're gonna need to unhinge them. So they might apply a little bit more pressure. So that one's unhinged. Since we have two, we're gonna unhinge both of them. And then to get to the other one, we use our right hand. There we go. So now it's free. So both of those should be good now to go. Make sure they're all the way back. So we go ahead and remove it. So this is the one that it came with. As you can see, it's made in Korea, Samsung. This one was 8 gigs. We're upgrading to 32. So we go ahead, and the RAM can only enter in one way only. So carefully, we're gonna see this hinge and connect it with the one that's there. So all right. So now the first one is done, and then the second one. Gotta make sure that it's yeah, they're all the way down. All right. So it should be good now. Um, they're all the way pressed down firmly. So that's basically the process for this. They're almost all cases are the same. But some of them may vary. But it's usually, yeah, it's like on the motherboard, not really much to disclose about that. Turn this back up.